Who decides on the question related to the disqualification of the member of the Lok Sabha? Answer A. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. How is the sitting of the Lok Sabha terminated? Answer D. By all of them. Who is the leader of the Lok Sabha? Answer A. Prime Minister. Who among the following does not participate in the election of the President of India? Answer C. Legislative Council. Legally competent to declare war or decide peace? Answer B. President. Parliament is not included in? Answer D. Chief Election Commissioner. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the first President of India. Answer D. By the Constituent Assembly. Who is the constitutional head of the Governor of India? Answer A. President. Whose advice is taken when there is a dispute in the election of the President? Answer B. Supreme Court. Which two members does the President have the right to nominate in the Lok Sabha? Answer A. Anglo-Indian. Who among the following is not appointed by the President of India? Answer A. Chief Election Commissioner. Whose prior approval is necessary for the finance bill? Answer C. President. To whom is the dispute related to the election of the presidential office directed? Answer D. Supreme Court. In the presidential system, all the executive powers are vested in? Answer D. President. According to the Indian Constitution, who is the first citizen of the country? Answer B. President. Who among the following is not appointed by the President? Answer A. Planning Commission. To whom does the Vice President inform about the resignation of the President? Answer C. To the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. How is the President elected? Answer B. Indirectly. The Supreme Commander of the Indian Armies is? Answer A. President. Who is the head of the executive in India? Answer B. President. How many members of Rajya Sabha can be President nominated in India? Answer D. 12. Who will decide the office of Prophet? Answer B. President and Governor. Which is the right of the President to issue ordinances? Answer C. Legislative. The vacancy of the President should be filled. Answer B. 6 months. To whom do the members of the Lok Sabha submit their resignations? Answer C. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. In which house the no confidence motion is brought? Answer B. Lok Sabha. How many times the same person can be made the President of India? Answer A. Many times. Which veto power does the President of India have? Answer D. All these. How long did the Provisional Parliament exist in India? Answer D. 17 April 1952. Dash deals with the complaints of corruption and public grievance in the state. Answer C. Lok Ayukt. Government of India has composed State Reorganization Commission 1955 under the chairmanship of Dash. Answer C. S. Fazal Ali. Public health and sanitation, hospitals and dispensaries is an entry in the Dash. Answer A. State list. Home Rule League was established by. Answer A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. What is the valid period of the electoral bond scheme? Answer E. 15 days.